Fluorescent light. A fluorescent light is a type of electric lamp that uses a tube filled with gas and a small amount of mercury vapor to produce visible light. When an electric current is passed through the gas, it causes the mercury vapor to emit ultraviolet (UV) light. This UV light then interacts with a phosphor coating on the inside of the tube, causing it to emit visible light. Fluorescent lights are known for their efficiency and longevity compared to incandescent bulbs. They use up to 75% less energy and can last up to 10 times longer. However, they can also produce a harsh, flickering light that some people find unpleasant. Additionally, they contain small amounts of mercury, which can be harmful if the bulbs are not disposed of properly. Fluorescent lights are commonly used in commercial and industrial settings, as well as in homes as overhead lighting. They are also used in some specialty applications, such as grow lights for plants or black lights for special effects. Type of fluorescent light. There are several types of fluorescent lights available, including 1. T12. These are the oldest and largest type of fluorescent tubes, with a diameter of 1.5 inches. They are less efficient than newer models and are being phased out in many countries. 2. T8. These tubes have a diameter of 1 inch and are more energy efficient than T12 tubes. They are commonly used in commercial and residential settings. 3. T5. These tubes have a diameter of 5/8 inch and are the most energy efficient type of fluorescent tube. They are often used in high bay lighting applications. For compact fluorescent lamps, CFLs, these are a type of fluorescent bulb designed to fit into standard light fixtures, making them a popular replacement for incandescent bulbs. They come in a variety of shapes and sizes, and some can be used with dimmer switches. 5. Cold cathode fluorescent lamps, CCFLs. These are a type of fluorescent bulb that uses a different technology than traditional fluorescent bulbs. They are often used in LCD monitors and televisions, as well as in some specialty lighting applications.